much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. At the top, you pretty much can go pretty much check on your server section. You have a lot of servers which you can use. These servers are mostly United States and Canada servers, so not much for that. I do recommend you using the auto connect feature, and you're pretty much good to go. So once you have pretty much selected your server, tap on this here, will ask for connection requests, tap on OK, and it will pretty much give you a count up to 100%. Once reach 100%, it pretty much will be connected in at no time. So over here, nothing much, just a few features as it relates to the proxy, app proxy, which allows you to select whichever app you want to get VPN connection. So once it's connected, we'll pretty much see, as you can see here, get a 30 minutes connection time, and as well you can pretty much add a 90 minutes connection time as well. You do have a 90 minutes connection time which you can add, and as well you do have a 120 minutes connection time as well. I've reviewed similar VPN applications, and my conclusion is they're pretty much all the same application, the same speed, everything's the same. So nothing much different from this one here, and you may have noticed this one pretty much doesn't even give up speed. So yeah, that's very pretty much it.